Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an account on Google Authenticator. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Google Authenticator application. Here it is, and then you need to make sure you logged in your account. So after that, in this page you will see all your accounts you can delete. So as you can see, I have only one account, but if you, for example, want to delete an Instagram Authenticator account, first of all you need to open your Instagram application, and then in the settings you need to turn off two-step verification option. So it is very important, but I don't have Instagram account. All you need to do is, if you want to delete any of your accounts, all you need to do is to swipe from the right to the left like this. Then you will see two different options. You need to click on the second option, little trash icon. Here it is, and then you will see this message. You can read this message and then click on the remove account. So, and then as you can see, your account will be automatically removed. So, and that's all, and that's how to delete an account on Google Authenticator. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.